Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Afaba Maibam here and today I'm going to teach you how to make a game with arrow keys. Now to get this, you have to in scratch.mit.edu search for RZ95 tutor and click the name here and then you'll find the Starfish Chase resources. Here you can make your own stuff and you have to click the remix button. I won't remix because I already have it. Now we will start coding. So I'll get the forever block, keep it under the set size to 100% and then get 4 if then, keep it down like this. Now I'll keep it in here, go to sensing, get keys, space press 4 times and then keep it in this. I'll make it up, down, right, left. I'll go to motion, get change y by 10 and this change y by minus 10. Now I'll get change x by 10 here to right arrow and change x by minus 10. I'll save. Now I'll go to starfish, go to controls, get forever block, go to motion, glide 1 seconds to random position. Now I'll go back to octopus, go to control, if then, go to sensing, touching mouse pointer question mark, I'll change it into starfish. I'll go to variables, change score by 1. Okay, now I'll save, go back here, go to control, get the forever block, if then, go to operators, get this, go to variables, keep score here and make it whatever number you want. I'm making it 200. Go to sound. I have win out here. You have to choose and then I'll go to sound. Play sound win until done. Go to control. Stop all. I'll save and now let's test. Okay, now it's done. It worked nicely and bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.